Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Catapult Spin. Now this is a really simple intermediate move. It requires you to know how to do the beginner move, a catapult, and it's going to be really helpful if you know how to do a lady spin or a flick spin, or even better both, because this is basically a combination of the two. Links in the description below in case you've missed any of that, so you can go back and fill in the gap in your repertoire. But if you know that, you're going to be ready for one of these. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is a fairly simple move to learn. It looks exactly like a catapult until we have the lady behind us. So we go back, we sweep through, and we get to two hands, and this is where it changes. Instead of bringing the lady forwards, what we're actually going to do is we're going to rotate the lady on the spot. We're going to take both hands over to the left behind us, guys, which turns the lady. We're going to use both hands flicked over to our right and release to spin the lady. As the lady spins round, the guys turn to face the lady. You could in theory turn in either direction. You'll probably find turning to the right guarantees you're going to come in from the correct side of the hand, but if you're sure you're going to get round before the lady, turning the other way actually feels slightly nicer. We're just going to catch, and then it's return the lady, and we're done. In fact, recommendation would be turn right to catch left, turn left to catch right. It's the same as you would in a hatchback. Okay, so let's do exactly the same thing from the other side and talk numbers. So we go semicircle back 1, sweeping 2, leaning 3, preparation 4, spinning 5, catching 6, returning 7, and back 8. And that's it, nice and easy. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell. Subscribing promotes the channel, liking sends other people to the videos you think are more useful, and hitting the notification bell is just making sure that you get told every time a new video comes out. Hope you find all that good and useful for you. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.